What's up, guys? Right now I'm at Fever Racing. I'm about to install a exhaust that I got. I didn't tell you guys about that. I'm prepping for Z days. I'm also going to be going to that. I didn't tell you guys about that. So stay tuned for these future videos that are going to be coming up throughout the month. Look at this clean R33.
Just get it straight. Back here, back it up.
I'm gonna come hard, alright? Alright guys, I hope you liked that quick little short video. I just wanted to show you guys the exhaust before I head out to Z Days. I just wanted to inform you guys all the things that's going to be going on. Alright guys, so the reason why that the video clip just transferred over to my room is because I realized that I didn't show you or express how much I was actually thankful for getting that exhaust. What actually happened is that I got that exhaust from one of my buddies from the Central Florida Z Club. His name is Morgan, and he really helped me out by giving me his old exhaust. It's not cheap, and a lot of you guys have been telling me to get an exhaust, but I really don't have the funds for it. I'm in college, so it's kind of hard for me to get aftermarket parts for my car. So I just want to express how thankful I am for Morgan to give me the exhaust, and I'm going to end the video off there. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and remember, let's turn our dreams into reality.